Good morning everyone and welcome back to our vlog. Today is just another school day. I do want to go and try and find a cast iron pot that is on sale, so I'm going to try and go and find that. Sorry about that, that is the ice cream truck. Wait a minute, okay, I'm pretty sure it stopped. So yes, that is the plan for today, and then I just need to come home and do some cleaning, and then Aura has swimming this afternoon, so I've got to pick the kids up and then go and do that later. So yeah, come along for our day and I will see you soon. I'm actually sitting here editing the video, and I thought I'd just add this that this clip that is about to play, that Noah hops in the car and realizes that he left his bag in the shopping center. So in Spotlight he put his bag down and left it there, and I didn't realize he had put it down. And so when we got back to the car, he noticed straight away that he didn't have his bag.
Here is my door, Mom.
Hop in.
Where's my bag? I lost it. I lost it.
So we did end up going back into the shopping center to try and find his bag, and luckily just as we went in there, the person that worked there picked it up, and I was like, oh, that's ours. So we did get it back. Yeah, but yeah, we had to go all the way back in, and then yeah, all the way back to the car. Sorry about the terrible lighting. We do not get good lighting in the carport, but we are headed off to go and pick up the kids from school now, and then we need to come home and quickly get ready for swimming. that is all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new.